Hey guys, I'm Cam, and on today's episode we've got something very, very special. We're here with a 2001 Nissan GTR R34 Tommykaira Special Edition. This is the RZ, the very, very rare one. And here it is, just want to show you. This is Drive with Cam.
A Melbourne-owned rare Nissan car is up for sale with an eye-watering $1 million price tag. As Alan Rascal discovered, the rare beast isn't something you just jump in to go to buy groceries.
It's time to get your motor running. Up for auction, a super rare R34 GTR V-Spec 2 RZ Tommykaira. With 46,000 kilometres on the clock, the 2001 black Nissan is considered a unicorn, believed to be the only one of its kind. Tommykaira, a Japanese tuning company that was allowed to rebrand the car under its own name.
Tommykaira built race cars and then homologated them for road use. So that doesn't happen anymore. And after they built this one, they went out of business.
The GTR is a cult car thanks to appearing in movies and in video games. Earlier this year, a 1998 GTR Nismo sold in England for around $1.3 million. So seven figures is not beyond the realms of reality for the Tommykaira.
The car could potentially go anywhere. We have seen cars go all corners of the globe. Particularly the American market at the moment for these cars is very, very strong.
The auction goes live on October 24 and runs for 7 days. For more information, head to collectingcars.com. With 530 horsepower, the car goes from 0 to 100 in a little over 3 seconds. And the sound? That'll get the heart racing. Alan Rascal, 9 News.
Tommykaira actually built race cars and homologated them for road use. So these were road legal cars. Tommykaira was a car manufacturer. They put their own VIN number on the actual car. This is what makes them very, very rare. That sort of stuff just doesn't happen. And to have a car like this, I believe it's coming up for sale soon on the Collecting Cars website, so check it out. But cars like this usually only come up, they're backroom sort of deals. You don't normally see things like this sort of come up. So ultra rare. Please guys, check it out. Look at all the specs. So guys, that's it from me. This is a very short video, but I had to share the experience in the moment with you. An amazing car, not to say the least. So please guys, please subscribe to the channel. Doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, and remember that will help me get a Lamborghini. Imagine the videos we could do for that. That would be absolutely amazing. There'll be a video up here called Chasers On, and there'll be another video down here for a YouTube car video. I'm sure it'd be pretty cool. Anyway, check it out. Thank you guys for watching.